All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I have another Spigen review here for you for the Google Pixel 6. So this is the Thin Fit case from Spigen. It comes in at $15.99 on Amazon right now with Prime shipping. And if you are a fan of this after watching my video, then you can buy this case on Amazon if you want to follow my affiliate link down in the description. So I didn't want to really waste your time with an actual unboxing of this. I just really wanted to kind of really show off the case itself first and then slap it on and then go over a few things. But with the Thin Fit case, obviously it's a really slim case, has this really nice matte texture. On the inside here, as you can see, it does say something you want. It's made in Irvine, California. It has that kind of same matte smooth finish inside. It does have their bumper technology here in the corners, which it's that air cushion technology, which I don't know if you can read it here, but it does say it there. It's just kind of hard to see it in the video. But what that's going to do is be able to help give you some really good drop protection with a really thin case. And so, like I said, with this one, it's definitely going to be a really nice addition to your Pixel 6. As you can see here, it is a little bit flexible, but does have a little bit of hardness to it, which I do actually really like. So let's go ahead and grab my Stormy Black Pixel 6 and slap it in. So I always start kind of with the volume side and buttons, and there it is. So with the Pixel 6 Thin Fit case, as you can see here, like I said, it's a very thin case, has this really nice matte black texture to it. You do have your Spigen brand in there at the bottom. And like I said, the whole entire back of this phone is that material. And as you can see here, that's kind of how the camera bump looks there with the bar. So you do have some pretty sharp edges there to mimic the actual camera bar. And as you can see there as well, those lenses are recessed in there. So you are going to get some bar protection with this case as well. So definitely like that. Now, like I said, with this slim design, it does help the phone feel a lot better in the hand and gives you a little more confidence knowing that you're not hopefully going to break it if you accidentally dropped it. Now on the sides here, that matte finish is all around the sides as well. As you can see there, you do have your volume up and down buttons and power button. You do have a little bit of a high gloss slit there in the middle. They are raised, as you can see as well. And then going down to the bottom here, you do have an easy, nice cutout there for your USB-C port and your speakers there at the bottom. And then going to this side here, obviously there is nothing since there is no buttons on this side. And then going to the top, you do have your mic cutout right there. And that is kind of the look that you get when you see your camera bar hump there as well. Now on the front of the phone, as you can see, you do have some really nice raised lips all around the whole entire front of the screen. It is tempered glass friendly as well, but like I said, you are going to be getting some screen protection, especially if you do like to put it face down on some sort of tabletop. And as you can see here, that's kind of the look of the screen looking at it face on. And then that is the look with that new longer speaker bar cutout there with the Pixel 6. So it is very slim and very unnoticeable when you're looking at it right there. So that's just kind of how the design looks there. So not bad at all. So the next thing that I want to do with the Pixel 6 here is go ahead and do the wobble test and see how shaky this is if you put it on a surface. So I'm going to start with the face down, and there is no shake at all. It is completely flat. And then when you do it from the back down, there is no shake at all either until you push it from the top. And you are going to get a little bit of some shaking back and forth like a seesaw. And once again, I've said it in my other videos, it's just because this protrudes out like that. So it's going to angle it just a little bit, but it is not going to shake left and right. So the next thing is the clicky button test. So let's see how clicky and responsive these buttons are. So let's start with that power button first. And volume up and down. All right, guys, so definitely passes the clicky button test with flying colors. No issues at all with those buttons. So the next thing that we're going to do is see if it is Qi wireless charging compatible. So I have my Spigen wireless charger here. So let's go ahead and bring that over, slap the phone on. And as you can see, it is Qi wireless charging compatible. I assumed it was, obviously I knew it was, but I'm just saying for the video's sake, it is definitely capable of wirelessly charging pretty dang easy. And obviously guys, it's because it's a very slim case, so there is no issues at all with this. So with the overall experience of this case, guys, I've had it for about 2-3 days now, and it's been the main case that I have been using on my Pixel 6, and I really like this texture. It does give a little bit of an added grip, so it does feel pretty dang good in the hands. With this material, obviously there is no fingerprint issues. You are going to occasionally get like smudges a little bit from like the oils on your hands, but honestly a little wipe down with your shirt or a cloth or something takes care of that super easily. But it's just something to point out, and that's something I've pointed out with the Thin Fit case, with any of the Thin Fit cases. It's the same material, so it is what it is. Obviously you do have a complete case, so there's no cutouts like around the buttons or anything like that. So it is a complete 360 coverage of the whole entire phone. Now, the other nice thing about this is it's very easy to get in and out of your pocket. So I do absolutely love this case, especially for $15.99, guys. It is the easiest case to recommend. It's always one of my favorite cases. So yeah, so there you have it, guys. There is the Spigen Thin Fit for the Pixel 6. So if you liked the video, guys, please hit that like button. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.